12 recipes of coconut milk for hair regrowth. Coconut milk recipes for hair growth. Coconut milk is safe and effective. It really helps to lengthen hair. It contains essential nutrients including lauric acid, which penetrates the hair shaft and makes it longer and softer, so it is one of the best recipes that can be put on the hair. It also features vitamins such as niacin and folate that improve blood circulation in the scalp, and it also contains vitamin E and fat that fights damage. 1 coconut milk recipe. Coconut milk penetrates the scalp and hair follicles. It increases moisture and nutrition and improves hair texture and health to help grow rapidly. Simply heat 1/4 cup of coconut milk in a bowl, and when it cools slightly massage your scalp as well as on your hair starting from the roots to the extremities, for 15 minutes in circular motions. Cover your hair with a hot wet towel and leave for an additional 45 minutes, before washing with water and shampoo. You can use this recipe once a week. 2 recipe for coconut milk and honey. The recipe for honey and coconut milk has positive effects for hair growth and nutrition. Simply mix 4 tablespoons of coconut milk with 2 tablespoons of honey, then massage the mixture over the scalp and hair from the roots. Cover your hair with a hot wet towel and leave for 1 or 2 hours, before washing with water and shampoo. Use this recipe once a week. 3 coconut milk and yogurt recipe. This blend helps to stimulate sleeping hair follicles and also helps to grow and promote hair healthily. Simply mix 5 tablespoons of coconut milk with a tablespoon of yogurt, then massage the scalp with this mixture for a few minutes. Cover the hair with a shower cap and leave for an hour or 2, before washing with water and shampoo. Use this recipe once a week. 4 recipe for coconut milk and aloe vera. Aloe vera has hair enhancement properties and helps it grow. It helps maintain healthy scalp by effectively dealing with issues such as dandruff and irritability. So mix 3 tablespoons of coconut milk with a tablespoon of aloe vera jelly, then mix all the ingredients together until you get a thick and smooth dough, then massage it on the scalp and hair from the roots to the ends, and leave for 30 minutes. Cover edifying your hair with a hot wet towel before washing with water and shampoo. You can use this recipe 1 to 2 times a week. 5 coconut milk recipe and fenugreek. In addition to enhancing hair growth, the ring also improves scalp health. It is effectively treated with issues such as dandruff and also makes hair soft and manageable. Simply mix 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed powder with 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, then apply the mixture to the scalp and leave for 30 minutes, before washing with water and shampoo. Use this recipe 1 to 2 times a week. 6 recipe for coconut milk and lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, so it helps nourish the scalp and increase hair growth. Simply mix 4 tablespoons of coconut milk with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, then cool the mixture for 4 hours. Then apply the mask to the scalp and hair and leave for 45 minutes. Cover your hair with a hot wet towel before washing with water and shampoo. Use this recipe once a week. 7 recipe for coconut milk and flour. Flour is an excellent cleansing agent and helps remove impurities from the scalp and hair, allowing unhindered hair growth. So you can mix 1/2 cup of coconut milk with the juice of half a lemon and 1/2 cup of flour, then mix all the ingredients together in a bowl. After rinsing the hair, massage the mixture well on the scalp, and leave for 15 minutes, before washing with lukewarm water. You can use this recipe once a week. 8 recipe for coconut milk and olive oil. This mixture helps hair growth. It contains the essential nutrients that penetrate the hair and its follicles. Simply mix 4 tablespoons of coconut milk with a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of honey, after mixing all the ingredients, and warm the mixture for about 2 minutes. After cooling and massaging on the scalp and all the length of the hair, leave it for about an hour. Cover your hair with a hot wet towel before washing with water and shampoo. Use this recipe once a week. 9. Coconut milk and egg recipe. Eggs contain proteins that help nourish the scalp and hair, helping to promote healthy growth. Simply whisk the egg whites and mix with 5 tablespoons of coconut milk and a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, then apply the mixture to the scalp and along the hair from the roots to the ends. Cover your hair with a hot wet towel and leave for 20 minutes, before washing with water and shampoo. Use this recipe once a week. 10. Coconut milk recipe and castor oil. Castor oil has antibacterial properties, so it treats scalp infections, and some problems that cause hair loss. In addition, the ricinoleic acid found in castor oil promotes the circulation of the scalp and stimulates hair growth. Simply mix 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut milk with a tablespoon of castor oil, then apply the mixture to the scalp and hair, with a tip massage for 5 to 8 minutes. Leave for an hour, before washing with water and shampoo. Use this recipe 3 times a week. 11. Coconut milk and curry recipe. Curry helps to open clogged hair follicles that promote hair growth. The antioxidants and amino acids found in it regenerate hair follicles and moisturize the scalp. Simply mash a handful of curry leaves, add 1/2 cup of coconut milk, then apply this mixture to the scalp and hair, and leave for 2 hours, before washing with water and shampoo. With the repetition of this recipe regularly. 12. Coconut milk and Indian berries recipe. Indian berries are a rich source of vitamin C, amino acids, minerals, and flavonoids that nourish hair follicles and prevent their loss, help promote its growth. So mix the Indian raspberry puree with 1/2 cup of coconut milk, then apply the mixture evenly to the scalp and hair, and leave for an hour, before washing with water and shampoo. Use this recipe twice a week.